Hey everyone, we're here today in New Jersey at Touch Dynamic, one of the leaders in point-of-sale hardware solutions. Today, CEO Craig is going to be giving us a behind-the-scenes look into how everything gets from their doors to yours. We're super excited to be here. Craig, thank you so much for having us.
Welcome to Touch Dynamic.
Thank you. For those who don't know, can you give an overview of Touch Dynamic and what you guys do here?
Touch Dynamic is a US-based manufacturer. We do assembly and production of touchscreen systems, ruggedized PCs, kiosks, ruggedized tablets, and we are doing finished manufacturing, customization, private labeling, imaging, a lot of other services at our two US-based facilities, South Plainfield, New Jersey, where you're at today, and Houston, Texas.
So can you tell us a little bit about where the journey begins and how products come in?
The journey is beginning from all over the world. We have vendors that are within a few miles of here doing metal manufacturing. We have vendors overseas in Asia countries. But everything's coming in by trucking or by container or by air as well. We're receiving them in here. We're receiving them into what we consider our massive amount of inventory. And then we're doing assembly in the production room.
And what kind of products are coming in through to this facility specifically?
So it could be anywhere from floor mount kiosk stands to memory components and CPUs, or it could be mostly assembled systems sometimes.
So one thing I've heard a lot about is how customizable Touch Dynamic solutions are. So what does that process look like?
So Touch Dynamic is leveraging our massive amount of inventory, and we're pulling them into this production room, and we're building to order based on customers' needs. That gives us the flexibility to deliver quickly, but customizable, which is what our customers demand.
Awesome. And do partners request a lot of pre-configured setups?
We ship over 10,000 or more different configurations every year, but yes, they all have specific requirements, and we deliver quickly and efficiently.
As you know, restaurants can be pretty tough on equipment, spills, constant use. How do you guys make sure that your hardware withstands all of that?
So we're building hardware for purpose-built markets. So we design for the harshest environments. We're designing for the kitchen or other parts of the restaurant or retail or even industrial sometimes. So because our equipment is designed from the ground up, it holds up to the rigors of the markets we sell to.
So what have you learned that VARs and operators really need when it comes to delivery and deployment?
We've been selling to VARs for over 23 years, and they're a demanding group. VARs really need from us a quality piece of hardware, quick delivery, great to work with, and something that's built to last.
So where are you guys shipping to most frequently? Is it mostly in the US or do you do international as well?
So our business is split. It's probably 70% US, 30% throughout the rest of the Americas. So Mexico, Canada, LATAM are really fast-growing parts of our business, and one of the parts of the business that we're most excited about.
So this place is super impressive. Can you tell me about what makes Touch Dynamic really stand out in the point-of-sale hardware world?
A few things. Certainly our product design is unique, but also this massive amount of infrastructure that we built in the US. Most of our competitors do not have this, they do not want this, but this separates us from the pack.
So what would you say partners should know about working with Touch Dynamic?
We feel and desire to be the best to work with in the market. We make amazing products, we desire to be great to work with, and deliver when they need us to at scale.
Thank you so much for having us here today, Craig, and thank you to the entire Touch Dynamic team for the tour today.
We loved having you. We love showing off our facilities, and you're welcome back anytime.
Thank you. And if you're looking for a hardware partner that gets it done right from the ground up, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.